Hello everybody, let's have a quick look at some features in CallGenius. Alright, let's start with number blocks. As a company or organization, you have a lot of phone numbers. By default, all these numbers are listed in one view in CallGenius. But of course, probably you have a lot of departments or regions or countries where you're active in. And you want to create a clear overview of all those regions, all those departments, and the users and numbers assigned to these departments or regions or countries. For example, you can see here Hello Office Turnout. When you click on it, you will see a good overview of all users and all phone numbers within this number block, within this container. This is where you can start searching and filtering based on user types, numbers free or used, etc. That's something you can do within the filter option right here. When you want to search, you can use the search box right here. The second one, numbers. This is just the default overview of all numbers available in your organization. You have a lot of columns with extra information. You can extend your overview with more columns. This is just a view where you can start searching, no matter what, a number, a user, a number block, whatever you want, or you can choose to filter. For example, I want an overview of all my users within my tenants, within my platform. Or no, I do not want to have all users, I want to have an overview of all resource accounts. And then you can see all your resource accounts available within your tenant. The third one is users. This gives you an overview of all users in your Microsoft 365 environment. Again, you can search for available users, or you can start filtering. For example, give me an overview of all users that has a phone number assigned. Like this. And then if I want, I can click on a user, for example, this one, and then you will see an overview of all user data, all user details that we can read in CallGenius. Also, you can see the voice policies assigned to this user. The last one is tenants. As a user, you can be a member of multiple organizations, and these organizations can have multiple tenants attached. In this overview, you will see all tenants attached to your organization and when they last synced. CallGenius, your phone number manager for Microsoft Teams.